Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Amongst all kinds of living entities begotten by Brahma, namely men, demigods and animals, none but the sage Narayan is immune to the attraction of Māyā in the form of woman. The first living creature is Brahma himself, and from him were created sages like Marichi, who in their turn created Kashyap Muni and others, and Kashyap Muni and the Manas created different demigods and human beings, etc. But there is none among them who is not attracted by the spell of Māyā in the form of woman. Throughout the entire material world, beginning from Brahma, down to the small, insignificant creatures like the ant, everyone is attracted by sex life. That is the basic principle of this material world. Lord Brahma's being attracted by his daughter is the vivid example that no one is exempt from sexual attraction to woman. Woman, therefore, is the wonderful creation of Māyā to keep the conditioned soul in shackles.